Hello viewers, welcome to V Academy. Please subscribe our channel for more educational updates. And today let us discuss about twins. But before discussing about twins, let us know the process of normal fertilization. An adult female releases one ovum or egg cell every month. This egg, after releasing from ovary, enters into the fallopian tube, and inside the fallopian tube sperm fertilizes the ovum. This is how sperm fertilizes the ovum. We can clearly see in the video how sperm is fertilizing the ovum. After the fusion of sperm cell and egg cell, zygote is formed. This zygote soon starts dividing into 2-cell stage, 4-cell stage, 8-cell stage, and finally blastocyst stage. And this blastocyst reaches the uterus and gets implanted on the endometrial lining of the uterus. And after the implantation, the blastocyst undergoes further division and develops into a complete baby. This is the process of normal fertilization. So now let us discuss about the twins. In the uterus of the female, 2 babies are developed at a time and are called as twins. Twins are classified into 2 main types. One is dizygotic twins, they are also called as fraternal twins, and second one is monozygotic twins. Monozygotic twins are also called as identical twins. Now let us see how fraternal twins are formed. From the ovaries of females, 2 ova or egg cells are released at the same time. This is due to hormonal imbalance and intake of fertility drugs. These 2 eggs released from ovaries are fertilized by separate sperms. As a result, 2 zygotes are formed. These 2 zygotes are implanted separately in the uterus. And after the implantation, 2 babies are developed from 2 different zygotes. And dizygotic twins or fraternal twins may be of same sex, that is maybe 2 sisters or maybe 2 brothers. Fraternal twins may be also different sex, that is dizygotic brother and sister. One is brother and one is sister, and these fraternal twins share 2 different placentas. In this way, the dizygotic twins share 2 separate placentas inside the mother's womb. And the ratio of the fraternal twins are more than the ratio of the monozygotic twins or the identical twins. Now let us discuss about the monozygotic or identical twins. In this case, after the normal fertilization process, the zygote splits into 2 blastomeres and gets implanted in the uterus. The monozygotic twins share same placenta, that is sharing nutrition from the same placenta. This is about the formation of monozygotic twins. As they are formed from the same zygote, these twins look identical to each other. And identical twins are of same sex, that means maybe 2 brothers or maybe 2 sisters. And the cause of monozygotic twins is unknown. But the ratio of monozygotic twins is very much smaller compared to the fraternal twins, and monozygotic twins are born to 3 people in thousands of people. I hope you people like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel V Academy. Thank you.